So I got this new laptop bag and wanted to do a little video because it's actually really cool. First, I wanted to say that it comes well packaged, protected against getting scratched or damaged, really nice. Then inside, again, packaged really well. I didn't know that it had this cool feature, but it's a little keychain thing to keep your keys locatable, and it moves really nice. It does come with 3 pouches as well, so those are inside. Kind of a wallet, and then 2 pouches. Really cool. And then the size is perfect for my laptop. It fits great. It's got a special pouch for the laptop with a Velcro closure on the top, and you can